Hello and welcome to a Taxware video tutorial. Today we will be going over tax reports. From the main menu of the program, click on the Tax Reports button. The tax reports screen is split into three sections. In the first section we have client listings, which will give you lists of current clients based on different criteria. For example, if you wanted a list of all clients who made between $5,000 and $10,000 in total income, you would select the line for Income Range. All reports are previewed first before printing, so you can make sure you have the correct report. Of note, in the Client Listings section is TaxBase. TaxBase used to be a separate program offering but has since been integrated into the WinTax program. In TaxBase you can select a wide variety of filters which will narrow down your recall client list based on your selections. You can then choose report format at the bottom in order to print out the list of clients with those specific set of conditions. Back on the tax reports screens, we have other reports that are available. The fee schedule report will print out your billing rates. The new client report will print a list of clients that are in the recall current screen that are not in the recall prior screen, and the lost client report does the opposite. Preparer summary totals will print out useful information separated out by preparer, which is useful if you have multiple preparers in your office. Summary totals by EFIN is similar to preparer summary totals, but separated by which EFIN was used to send the return, in the case where your office uses multiple EFINs. The next few lines will give lists of clients that have amended their returns, received EIC, or have a specific form or schedule of your choosing. Filing instructions will print out the filing instructions for a client in case they lost those instructions. Client Compare is used primarily close to deadlines to send out batch extensions for prior year clients who haven't returned yet. Export Client Listings to Excel will create an Excel file that contains all the data available to the recall client screen, which can be very useful if you want to create a custom report that isn't available through other means. Batch Print a range of clients allows you to print out the returns of multiple clients at once if your office only prints at certain times throughout the day. There may also be tax year specific reports if they are necessary. Lastly is the mailing labels and letters. We have direct support for several common Avery label formats which you can use to print mailing labels. You can also print specific letter formats or billing information on one or all of your clients. This concludes the tax reports tutorial. If you have further questions, feel free to email us at support@taxwaresystems.com or give our technical support line a call at 1-800-877-1065. We'll see you in the next video, and thank you for choosing Taxware.